If you want to use voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so first of all, locate it. On my phone, it's hidden in the Samsung folder. Open it up. If you are using it for the first time, you may need to give all the necessary permissions, such as microphone and audio video files. To start recording, simply press record, and now it's recording. To pause it, tap on pause. To keep on, press on this red icon again, and the recording keeps recording. If you want to re-record some space on this place, simply choose the space which you want to record, for example this one, and press on this button. All right, so let's put it here, and now we are re-recording. As you see, it changes and it keeps on changing it and keeps on redubbing. Basically, that's it. So to stop, press stop. We can save recording, so we can give it some custom name. And also we can create a category or add up to existing one. Now press save, and now it is saved. So to listen to it, simply tap on it. Record, and now it's recording. To pause it, and basically that's it. That's how you do this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.